Kadesh, we start from the very, very beginning. So before we start, you could just go into it and start the Kiddush, or again, you can take the chance of having someone ask a question, or you ask the question and see what people will answer, and then give an answer of your own or move on. Why do we start with Kiddush? What is the purpose of this Kiddush? Is this Kiddush the same as the one we make on Shabbat? What are the differences? You can write answers down below in the comments and see what other people also respond and get ideas over there. Besides that, you can look up and get a lot of inspiration before your Seder. So we start at Kadesh, and I recommend that before you do, you start reading or singing the order of what we're going to be reading at the Seder. Another interesting thing is, why is it called a Seder? You can also answer that down below. The song that I'm familiar with, or the tune that I grew up with, is Kadesh urchatz, karpas yachatz, magid rachza, motzi matza, maror korech, shulchan orech, tzafun barech, halel nirtza. And I recommend that you also ask, if you have a larger crowd, does anyone else have a tune for this? And have everybody have a chance to sing their tune and get people involved. Now, we're starting with the Kiddush. So we take our cup of wine or grape juice, and we don't pour for ourselves. This is very important, and you can also have this as a discussion of, why don't we pour for ourselves? So on this night, we are free people. We are kings and queens. We are princes and princesses. And we do not pour for ourselves. We will be doing a lot of things here that represent freedom, that represent strength, that represent our place of being independent. And one of these things is that royalty does not pour for themselves. So we all pour for each other around the table, and then we stand up and we say the first part of Kiddush, then we sit down. Okay, some people sit down for the whole thing. And we sit down for the Kiddush, and when we do Heseva, which means we lean while we drink. Now this is very, very important. The leaning is, again, a sign of royalty. So when we're leaning, we lean to our left, okay? And you should bring pillows to the table to make this more comfortable, or maybe do this on the couch. What I recommend that you do is, unless you have armrests for you to lean on and drink comfortably, I recommend you turn your chair to the side, and then you can lean and drink very, very comfortably. The halacha is that this is one of 4 cups that we need to drink. This is a mitzvah, to drink all 4 cups tonight. The first one, okay, and the second one have a halacha that you need to do beheseva, which means leaning. And if you did not do them, leaning, then you have to drink them again. Number 3 and 4, it is also customarily to lean, but there are also opinions that aren't. Anyway, it is a good thing to lean while you're drinking. We lean to our left side, okay, so that we do not choke while we drink. This is also a halacha when it comes to drinking the 4 cups.